Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if your Google Business Profile is not publicly visible, it could be due to a variety of reasons. So here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So first, check profile settings. In order for you to check your profile settings, just go ahead and follow these steps. Okay? So first, log into your Google My Business account. Then navigate to the info section of your business profile and ensure that the Google Search and Google Maps options are turned on for your business information. These settings determine whether your profile is visible to the public. Okay? Next, verify business information. Ensure that your business information, such as the business name, address, phone number, and website, are accurate and up to date. Inaccurate information could affect your profile's visibility. Next, complete your profile. Make sure your profile is fully completed with relevant and detailed information. This can improve the chances of your profile appearing in search results. Verify ownership. If your profile is not verified or if there's an issue with your verification, it can impact visibility. Verify ownership of your business through the Google My Business verification process. Address and location. Check that your business address is correctly placed on the map. An incorrect location might lead to your profile not showing up in searches. Remove duplicate listings. If there are duplicate or conflicting listings for your business, it can cause visibility issues. Remove duplicate listings to avoid confusion. Google Guidelines Compliance. Ensure that your business profile follows Google's guidelines and policies. Violations can lead to your profile being hidden from public view. Next, Google reviews and ratings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings for your business. Positive reviews can improve your profile's visibility and credibility. Posts and updates. Regularly update your business profile with posts, photos, and relevant content. This can enhance your profile's engagement and visibility. Contact Google support. If you've tried all of the steps and your profile is not still visible, you can contact Google My Business support for assistance. They might be able to help diagnose and resolve the issue. And lastly, wait for indexing. Sometimes it might take some time for changes to your profile to be indexed by Google systems. Be patient and allow some time for the changes to take effect. Remember that Google's algorithms and systems can sometimes have delays or issues, so changes might not reflect immediately. Regularly monitor your profile's visibility and make adjustments as needed to improve its presence in search results and map. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!